In this video, we'll solve quadratic equation or factorize the quadratic function in a very simple and easy way by guessing factors. We have a quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. If we compare this equation with the standard form, we have b equals minus 2 and a times c equals 3 times minus 8 equals minus 24. Now we have to choose two factors of this minus 24 in such a way that if we add or subtract those factors, we'll get value equals b. We can choose two factors 4 and minus 6 for minus 24, so that if we add these two factors minus 6 plus 4, we get the value equals b or minus 2. In this case, the solution for this equation will be x equals minus one of these factors 4 by a, which is 3, and another solution will be minus of another factor which is minus 6 by a, which is 3. If we simplify, we get minus 4 by 3 and 2. So these are the factors for, these are the solution for this equation. We can write these solutions in factor forms. So the factors are x plus 4 by 3 times x minus 2, or we can simplify 3x plus 4 times x minus 2. So this is how we can get the solution for this quadratic equation, and we can get the factors for the quadratic term. Next, we go to the second quadratic equation. We'll use same method to solve this equation. Here b equals 7 and a times c equals 6 times minus 20 or minus 120. We have to factorize 120 in such a way that the addition and subtraction of those factors becomes the value of b or equals 7. So if we factorize 120 by using 15 and minus 8, if we add 15 with minus 8, we get the value of b or 7. So we can use 15 and minus 8. So the solution for this equation will be x equals minus 15 by a, which is 6, and another solution will be minus 8 by a, which is 6. If we simplify, we get minus 5 by 2 and 4 by 3. So these are the solutions for this equation. If you want to get the factors for this quadratic term, we get factors are x plus 5 by 2 times x minus 4 by 3, or we can write 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 4. So this is how we can apply this simple and easy factor guessing method to solve quadratic equation and find the factors of the quadratic term. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.